Okay guys, back for part 3. Now, we're going to put rain in here. I think it'll fit in nicely. I think he'll fit in very nicely. Rain. Now, hang on, let me turn the book around. I can't work like that. Now, we've got to come in. Now, rain. How does rain go? Oh, yes, triangles. Triangles are funny shapes, yep. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go over that line. This is part of the string. I'll go out like that. And I need another line again, or a ring. Go in as tight as you can. And obviously I can't go in very tightly. Now it wants to go all the way. Okay, that's good. It'll work. It will work. See if we can get some points happening. Yes, time flies when you're having fun. Well, that's a funny one. Don't worry, it all works. It all works in the end, guys. Now, there we go. Now we'll put... I've only done this pattern a week or two ago when it first came out. There's a double lines around here. Hang on. I'm just having a look somewhere down here. Yes, it does have a double line. Okay, it has a double line. I thought it did. I thought it had a double line. Now I'm using the Micron 01 for some unknown reason. That one wanted to be like a window of some description. That's alright. And you can fill them in as black. This one's a real pointy one. That's all right. There he goes. He disappears into the edge. Now, what did that lady put in her? She put the orb in her. She did an orb. Okay. We'll put the orb in. Yeah, I'm more awake now than I thought I would be. Yeah, we went out to lunch today at the club. Smorgasbord lunch. That was very, very nice. Very nice lunch there at Mary Lane's RSL. Go check it out. $20 for visitors, $18 for members. Now, yeah, I think I'll colour that in black. Now, we've done our... I'm going to put that in the wrong spot then. Our string. This is following the string that we put down. And this is following that pattern. That's that's the pattern. That's a loop there. That's easy done. I'll come in with the other pen in a minute. Go around them tighter spots. This is now rain. That is slide hat. I'm not too sure what that one is. I'll have to go back to the video and see. Now I'm still waiting for my watercolours to come. That'll be fun, we'll play with them. I've got some canvases coming, some round canvases. From Catch coming. Oh, a few items, new man bag coming. I need a new bag. I hope it's big enough. There we go. Now we'll come in with the black again. I'll come in with this one. And we'll just tidy it up. Now you can use your Micron 10 if you've got one in the black to do this part. Or you can use the 08. I just happen to have the brush there. I think the brush is smoother than using the pen. Okay, this is part 3. I've got 3 tangles. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, we've got Halloween coming up in a fortnight's time. Yay! I don't do Halloween. I like the movies though. I can't wait for the Jamie Lee Curtis one to come out. I'm waiting for that one. The last instalment. Now that will be fun to watch. I don't know if it's on Netflix or Prime. I don't know. Now we can oh, this stupid cord, get out of my way. Now we can expand and add to this. We can do Braven sword. Where can I put Braven sword to? We can go up here in this pattern up here. We can do that. Now I will put something in the centre of them. I think they look a bit flat. Yeah, Braven sword will fit up there and it will fit over there. And we'll put Floxy maybe over here. Now, that's Angela Porter's channel. That's what she's done so far. That's her Floxy, Braven sword. And there's this one. That is Sock. It's a good one, that one. So go check her out and subscribe. Now, oh, we've got another one up there too. I might save it for tomorrow. Now, I'll come back down here. Now go check her out. Now, how are we going to put that in there? It's 2 orbs, a point that goes into a point. Okay, let me just do it in pencil first. Let me do it in pencil, see if it fits. Yeah, I sharpened it. I used the sanding paper to give it a bit of a point. You've got to go up here, guys. You've got to go in there. Yeah, got to go into that little point there. So that's got to be rounded a bit more. Okay, then we do the lines inside. Now she's done hers a little bit bigger. We can come outside too. Yeah, we can do that. Now I'm going to do a little circle and a bigger circle, I think. Okay. Now we can come out a bit wider here if we want. Yeah, I think I will. I think I'll come out a little bit wider. There we go. He's a big fella. Oh, we put that in, so we'll put that in. We'll come down. And we'll come down, up and around. Yeah, now, and should have did some lines, and she did. Yep, we got some lines coming out, so got nothing there. I'll take that out. Now, I may have gone too wide, actually. I'm thinking I've gone too wide now. Now we'll come down here. Come down there. And we should have gone into the point. That's all right. We'll fix that in a minute. Should have gone into the point. It's all right there, don't worry about that yet. Now, we'll put this line in here. And we'll just add another one. That's better. And we'll come into that one. That's what we should have done. Now, well, let's let me try to take that off, actually. I'm just going to dab that. Yeah, he's gone. Now we should have we should have gone in up to this line here. This one, somewhere like that. Now we've got this line here. We'll come in. A little bit like Angela's now. It's how we rock and roll, isn't it? Yeah, pretty good. We'll have to straighten this up later somehow. Now, what did she do now? That's going to be annoying. Oh, we'll put in some orbs here. No, they're called something else when you do it this way. Triple, dipple. Now, welcome all new subscribers, and thank you. We're nearly at just past 500. Now, we're at 501. So come on. Now, this looks very familiar, this pattern. I'm sure, I know we've done it just recently, but I'm sure I've done it last year. One of my books. Very similar pattern. And you can always fix things up. So don't panic too much. There we go. Now, I'm just going to do this. Now, Angela's done different lines, and we've got things going in here, and we've got something happening in there. So, okay. So, I'm going to just do that as I can. I want to do that here too. Now, we're just going to go for it now. I think I kind of done a boo-boo there. And we'll just put a couple of lines in. We've got. Oh, that looks all right. Yeah, we're all right. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't watercolour paper either, but it'll work. It works on here. This is 110 grams, but it's not as smooth as the paper either. It's better than the last one. The last one was shocking. I have a feeling this is entangled too. Now she put in that full moon one, in, so we can do that too here. Let's let it go and do this one. Crescent moon, thank you, brain. You're working, sir. My brain is still active. I wish it wouldn't take up those awful dreams, though. I'm having some shocking dreams lately. All full colour. Every single one of them. All in colour. Now, I don't know what's going on. I've come to the conclusion it's the tablet I'm taking. That could have been a little bit longer, but that's all right, it'll still work. Now, there we go. Yeah, she's gone right around that. And we'll do that in our inside. That's got a double line in it. Yes, it's got a double line in it. Has it got a double line in it? Can we just have a look? Hang on, I'll go back. Yes, it does. It has a double line in it. No, there's a double line. There is another line here. We'll go right around. Come on. I said a double line, not a single line. I don't know, sometimes these pins will not do what you want to do. Here we go. Now I'll go again. Yeah, I'll go again in between. In between. I mean, it could have been a little bit wider. In between. Yeah, gotta go. Okay, we can go like that. Now, how are we going with our zoom in? Oh, that's a bit better. Yeah, I don't know if I'll do phylloxy. It's a tough one, that one. And I have done it by itself. There we go. Now I'm going to put in some little dipples. Now I'll upload these on Saturday. I'll do it Saturday morning most likely, so they'll be up then. And yes, we've done the other side as well. With the all, I'm going to do this on this side. Mine's a bit different, that's all. Yes, thank you for watching. I hope you've had fun. Please subscribe. Now, who else have we got up here to watch? Oh, what error. I'm pushing a button. Gee whiz. Floxy. They have strange names, these tangles. Now, who's next on the hit parade here? For another hour. Gel sticks. I've never heard of gel sticks before. It must be something new. Sorry, I forget to move my hand, don't I? Yeah. I think I'll leave that one plain. I might just add another. No, I'll leave that one plain. Okay, that's it, guys. Have fun. Please subscribe. That one was Braven's sword. Hang on, let's just come in and do some graphite on him. I think I'll keep this in black and white. This one I don't want to add colour. It's a long one, this one. Sorry, YouTube. It's a long one. They do take time, these drawings. This is in 3 parts, this one. Now, we've got, I think, another 2 to put in. We can put in Floxy somewhere over here. Okay, I'll get back to you. Night.